In this video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram World Cup search tab. First, open the Instagram app and make sure you're signed in to your account. Next, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen to open the Explore page. Type in a tournament-specific phrase, such as World Cup 2026, or FIFA World Cup. Instagram will automatically redirect your query into the curated World Cup search destination, rather than displaying standard keyword results. Inside, you'll find World Cup-related content, including trending posts, reels, highlights, team updates, match-related content, and popular hashtags. You can browse through the content, watch videos, view posts, and interact with them just like any other Instagram content. You can also use the search bar to look up specific teams, players, matches, or World Cup hashtags to find more related content. And that's how to use the Instagram World Cup search tab. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.